Creating a productivity system that works for you is essential if you want to effectively manage your time, achieve your goals, and maintain a balanced life. The key to building a system that truly works is tailoring it to your personal needs, strengths, and lifestyle. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create a system that maximizes your productivity. 1. Assess your current situation. Start by evaluating where you are right now. What are your current habits, strengths, and weaknesses? Reflect on your daily routines, work habits, and common distractions. This helps you identify what's working well and what isn't. Ask yourself, when am I most productive? What tasks do I tend to procrastinate on? What consistently distracts me? How well am I balancing work, rest, and personal time? Understanding these things will help you design a system that fits your unique needs. 2. Define your goals. Productivity should be tied to purpose. Clearly define what you want to achieve. Break your goals down into categories such as work or business goals, projects, career milestones, or job responsibilities. Personal goals, health, relationships, hobbies, and self-improvement. Learning and development goals, skills, knowledge, or certifications you want to acquire. Make sure your goals are SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. 3. Choose your tools. There are numerous productivity tools out there, but your system doesn't need to be complicated. Choose tools that simplify and streamline your workflow. Some popular categories of tools include Task Management, Todoist, Asana, Trello, Microsoft To-Do, Calendar or Time Management, Google Calendar, Outlook, time blocking apps, note-taking and documentation, Notion, Evernote, OneNote, automation and workflow tools, Zapier, IFTTT. Use as few tools as possible. Overloading your system with too many apps can lead to overwhelm. Prioritize your tasks. To stay on track, prioritization is essential. Adopt a prioritization technique that works for you. Eisenhower matrix. Categorize tasks based on urgency and importance. ABCDE method. Rank tasks from A, most important, to E, least important. Eat that frog. Tackle your hardest or most important task first thing in the morning. Learn to say no or delegate tasks that aren't aligned with your main goals. Focus your energy on the most impactful activities. Create routines and habits. Productivity is more about consistency than intensity. Build routines that reinforce your productivity goals. Morning routine. Set yourself up for a productive day with exercise, meditation, reading, or planning your day. Work routine. Block out time for focused work, schedule regular breaks like the Pomodoro technique, and avoid multitasking. Evening routine. Reflect on the day, review accomplishments, and plan the next day's tasks. Over time, these routines will become habits, reducing the cognitive load of planning and decision-making each day. Track your progress. Regularly reviewing your progress helps you stay aligned with your goals. You can track your productivity in several ways: daily and weekly reviews. Look back at what you've achieved and plan for the upcoming days. Habit tracking. Monitor how consistent you are with key habits and routines. Journaling. Reflect on what's working well and where improvements are needed. Adjust your system based on what you learn. If something isn't working, don't be afraid to tweak it. Incorporate flexibility. Your system should support you, not restrict you. Life is unpredictable, and a rigid system can lead to burnout. Build in flexibility by allowing room for unexpected tasks, adapting routines to your energy levels or mood, and taking regular breaks and rest days. Remember, productivity is about working smarter, not harder. A flexible system helps you maintain balance and long-term sustainability. Reflect and iterate. Productivity systems evolve. Regularly evaluate what is and isn't working in your system and make adjustments. Consider, are you consistently meeting your goals? Are you feeling overwhelmed or stressed? Are you maintaining a healthy balance between work and personal life? Make tweaks as needed. A good system grows with you, adapting to changes in your goals, priorities, and circumstances. Final thoughts. A productivity system is highly personal. What works for one person might not work for another, and the only way to find the perfect system for you is through experimentation and reflection. Focus on simplicity, consistency, and flexibility. Start small, build habits, and gradually refine your system as you learn more about your work patterns and personal preferences. Ultimately, the best productivity system is one that aligns with your life, empowers you to reach your goals, and keeps you motivated and balanced over the long term.